I always have on my fighting face.
When your wife recorded you snoring and you heard it, what you like? Man, I got to do something about it. Was that a part of the?
She didn't record me snoring, but she kept waking me the fuck up. That's what and I mean, I think.
So you got the CPAC now?
Hell no. I lost weight. I don't snore as much no more.
Okay.
I don't snore as much no more. That's why I took some of the weight off. I don't snore. You still have your moments, but I don't snore like I used to.